क्योंकि हम बहुत एनालाइज कर लेते हैं और सब कुछ हम प्रिडिक्ट करने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी CSS is so unpredictable कि however much you do analyze and study all the past papers, at the end कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. You should always be ready for the surprises and being caught off the guard. That's what I'm telling you.
जी, और हमारे एक व्यूअर हैं जिन्होंने इंटरव्यूज़ पे बहुत डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ कमेंट्स किए कि प्लीज़ पूछें कि क्या उन्हें पेपर में चारों के 4 सवाल आते थे या कोई ऐसा सवाल भी था कि उन्हें नहीं आता था, तो उस फिर सिचुएशन में व्हाट डिड दे डू?
वेल, सबसे पहले बात घबराना नहीं है.
ठीक है.
And after that, when you're mentally ready that there are going to be surprises, so believe me, that would help you a lot in tackling it in a better way. And if you're not mentally ready for that, then hysteria and anxiety and everything, it gets the better of you. So you should be ready for that. किसी न किसी एग्जाम में आपको सरप्राइज ज़रूर मिलेगा. ये नहीं हो सकता कि आपको सारा पेपर आता हो या it goes according to your expectation. That's not the case with CSS. CSS is very precarious and it's very uncertain and full of surprises.
तो आपको सारे सवाल आते थे हर पेपर में? सारे 4, like full 4 आपको सवाल आते थे?
There was this one paper, Islamiyat. I wasn't really expecting a question about feminism in there, but then since I had opted for gender studies, so I used that knowledge to answer the question in Islamiyat. So that is how you're going to tackle with the problems that you're going to see there.
आपको compulsory subjects में से सबसे मुश्किल कौन सा लगा?
I took great delight in studying all of them because I had a full year. तो मैंने preparation के लिए I studied them with great delight. I took interest in studying them. So I did not find any subject very difficult. Actually, CSS का course difficult नहीं है, but it's extremely lengthy.
जी, बिल्कुल.
It's very lengthy, so you really have to be smart to know what to study and what to skip, right? So other than that, CSS का course is not difficult, except for the fact that it's lengthy.
हाँ.
तो थोड़ा lengthy है और समझने में आसान है.
और आपके ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट्स कौन से थे?
I opted for subjects that had a very vast and an overlapping scope. ताकि वो एक ही सब्जेक्ट में मेरी हेल्प ना कर सके, बल्कि बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में भी मेरी हेल्प कर सके. जैसे कि I gave you an example earlier. इस्लामियात में फेमिनिज्म का क्वेश्चन आया था, and I used my knowledge from gender studies to answer that question. Similarly, जो essays essay में there was a topic. So I used my knowledge from the IR to answer that particular topic. So I went for broad and overlapping scopes. So I opted for international relations, and I opted for US history, international law, Pashto because I'm a Pathan, and gender studies.
And which one was your favorite studying these?
My favorite, US history.
US history, really?
Yes, I really enjoyed studying it.
I hate history.
No, actually, everything that we've been hearing since childhood, all of that actually started making sense. Because of our close association with the US, actually all of that started making sense. And for the first time, we realized who is on $100 bill, who is on the $1 bill. We've always been seeing it, but we didn't know who that person was. So it was really great fun knowing all of them and all the facts.
और आपने ये subject selection में किसी की help ली या खुद आपने किया?
I was advised that since you're a doctor, you should go for medical subjects like zoology and botany. But I want to say this, and I want to say this quite emphatically, that it's very important for you to have a mentor. It's very important for you to join an academy or to go to somebody who has been through this whole process or who has been teaching for a long time. Not every Tom, Dick and Harry can be your teacher. It has to be a person of credibility or an institution of credibility. And one thing more, it has nothing to do with a person कि कोई बहुत लायक है या कोई बहुत नालायक है. तो वो जो नालायक है वही academy जाते हैं और जो लायक हैं, जो able students हैं, they don't go there. It's not like that. Everybody needs guidance. CSS is like a vast ocean, right? So you do need guidance, or else if you set out sailing like Columbus without a proper map, you will be going to India and you will end in Caribbean. So that's what I always tell people, that you need to have somebody to guide you properly. So subject selection mein I went to my mentors and my teachers who had been teaching for a long time back then. they really helped me pick the subjects with vast overlapping scope and also keeping in view the score trend and the subjects towards which I had an inclination and natural flair to study.
अच्छा, written exam जब आपने पास कर लिया, which everyone is most afraid of, उसके बाद usually लोग interviews और psychological का इतना नहीं पूछते. तो आपका उस इंटरव्यू और साइकोलॉजिकल में एक्सपीरियंस क्या था, गाइडेंस आपने कहाँ से ली?
आई वॉन्ट टू टेल एवरीबॉडी, जब हमारा रिटर्न का रिजल्ट आया तो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. आई थॉट लाइक I've accomplished this. It's over. But you have no idea what's coming for you ahead of this. Interview is once you get to know कि interview में होने वाला क्या है और वो आपसे they could ask you question from anywhere, right? And this is the interview that can either make you or break you. So you really have no idea how mentally exhausting that is, because the possibilities are endless. It could be anything from anywhere. If you talk about your extempore speech, if you talk about your group discussion, if you talk about your interview with the
So there's an extempore speech as well?
Yes,
I didn't know that.
And you should be ready for that. Then the panel asking you all sorts of questions from, you name it, and every sort of possibility is there. So it was like really, I didn't know what's coming. So जब हम गए for the, but Noah really helped me in understanding the process कि होने वाला क्या है, and it really helped me in preparing myself for the interview. I'll always be beholden and grateful to them. मैं उनका बहुत शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा, because the first day I came in, I had no idea what's going to happen. I thought it's going to be like a one-day interview, but it's not like that. So they helped me go through each and everything. They helped prepare me for the interview. And your question actually was, I've lost a track of that.
My question was, what was your interview process like, or help आपने कहाँ से ली?
Right, during the preparation.
Interview की तैयारी में.
Interview की तैयारी में I came to Islamabad with literally no idea what's going to happen. I called my teachers in Noah, and they told me that you need to come here and we'll guide you. So I arrived 2 or 3 days late, and when I came here, they told me that we were waiting for you and you took too long to come here. And they took great interest in mentoring me as well as the other successful aspirants, the candidates, and there were a lot of rehearsals. They made sure that we are prepared from every angle. तो उन्होंने हमारी preparation इतनी अच्छी करवाई, and this is what makes Noah worth joining. So if anybody is successful in the written exam, and I hope most of you do who are taking exam, my good wishes are with you, inshallah. So Noah is the place for you. This is the place where you should come. And
what was one funny or weird question you were asked during the interview process?
Well, there was this question. They actually started, at one point they started questioning me in political science.
Okay.
And I managed to answer those questions, although it was not my subject. And then they told me that if you haven't studied political science, how could you answer this? So I told them that I've watched certain documentaries. I'm very fond of watching documentaries and reading articles. So unknowingly I shifted the discussion towards documentaries and movies, and then they asked me and they questioned me about my favorite movies. So that was a little off the guard, you know. I never thought they'll be asking me these questions, but then this is a part of the interview. They want to know all your facets and all your sides. So I told him my choice would definitely not be that of yours. So they became more intrigued and they asked me, no, we want to know. So I told them about the movies from 60s and 70s, Breakfast at Tiffany's, Cleopatra, Funny Face, My Fair Lady, and many other movies like that. So they were really amazed, and while I was leaving, the chairman told me that you have named all the classics, and that's a very good choice.
आपने नोआ के बारे में कैसे सुना?
There are various mediums, you know. It's all over the Facebook. It's all over the Twitter. It's all over, and word of mouth, right? It's very important. So basically, I had a friend who had come here, and she was successful as well. Okay. She actually scored very well in the exam, in the interview as well. she told me that now that you have passed your exam, NOAA is the place for you. आपको NOAA जाना चाहिए. So that is how I heard about NOAA. But it's just that the unflagging efforts that they put in and the trust of the students and the aspirants, the candidates, that they win.
Yes.
That is actually the best of all the mediums to spread the name of NOAA and to help students come here for the preparation. NOAA is a family, yes. The day I came here, I didn't know anybody. And on the second day, I had so many friends, each of them calling me, texting me that the class has already begun and you should be here. When I went there, they had those handouts saved for me. So it really is a fraternity. And although they were not from KPK or from FATA, from where I am, they were from different parts of the country. They all came together and we are the best of the friends now.